This is another Metro Motor ride to explore a new place for adventure with Tagaytay as our jumping point. We met up with Chris, our female rider friend, in Alfonso, before hitting some nice smooth roads in Batangas heading to the Marogondon Sanctuary. We took the inner route cutting through Magallanes and taking a shortcut through the Cavite East-West Road, which was a scenic route straight over the mountain. The ride from Tagaytay takes about an hour and 20 minutes give or take, and once you see the ocean, you're practically there.
Nasa tayo, Lee?
Marogondon Sanctuary.
Anong gagawin natin dito?
Cliff diving.
There's a short downhill walk from the parking lot to the jump-off point.
Nasa tayo, Lee?
Dagat. Ano talo?
Wala akong nakita tumalon. Pag may tumalon na isa, magpalakas loob ba?
No one else was jumping, so we didn't know if the water was deep enough.
Rolling, hey! Nagdasal pa! Yahoo! Okay, woohoo!
Once the ice was broken, we just kept on jumping. After us, other people started jumping too. Then we went on to the higher level of the jump, about 2 stories high. I was the first to go. Lee had no choice, he had to jump. On the way back home, we went around and went through the Kaybiang tunnel. We saw some monkeys on the road and we stopped for breakfast. It was a great day and that's it for this adventure. Where should we ride to next?